Three things you should follow as a digital marketer. One, consistency. Yes, you heard me right. Consistency is the most important thing for a digital marketer because it could be posting on social media, preparing content for social media, or preparing strategies for any brand. You should be consistent enough to produce every day. And second, you should delegate your work. It's not like I'll handle every damn thing. You should handle few of the things as a digital marketer, and rest you should know how you need to delegate your work along with your co-employees or with freelancers or with your employees. And the third and the most thing important I feel is like learning every day, because digital marketing is not same previously and digital marketing will not same in future also. So try to dedicate your time for at least 1 hour in learning new concepts of digital marketing. That way you will actually grow in your digital marketing career.